Hey guys, it is Stocklock Sunday, and today we have another gun lock. This is the last one I have of gun locks, and again, this is not a real gun. It's still just a one of those air guns, but good enough for testing. And it is a project child safe, not for resale. I don't have a key for it, but it is a wafer lock as usual, double-sided. So let's see what it takes to get into it. And where did my picks go? There we go. We need a rake. And we have it right there. And we need tension wrenches. Alright, we start from one side. Just need one that fit. So that tensioner was too big. Then we take a smaller one. And break one side. And then we go to change the tension wrench to rake the other side and keep going like that. Come on out. This is not really the most effective way, but it works usually. At least at some point it does. Come on out. And we open. So it wasn't really that hard to open it. It took, what, 2 minutes? But there is all of this shifting with the tension wrenches, and I guess you may could do it with only one tensioner, so let's try it. Let's see if we have one that fits. I think that would do. Let's try like this. Well, I felt something, but it didn't open. Alright, let's try to SPP it again by changing the tensioner. And who knows how long that will take. And there we go. So, not really a good lock, but yeah, a fun lock to pick. And just like the other gun locks, this is going to my collection. Alright guys, that was this week's Stock Lock Sunday. Thanks for watching and hope you have had a great weekend so far.